Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this channel, I am going to discuss about electrical engineering subjects, especially the problematic purpose of electrical engineering. All of us are facing difficulty in doing problematic purpose of the electrical engineering subjects. So, so I think my channel will be helpful for those who feel difficulty in doing problems. Let us start with the basic electrical engineering. Let us go through the circuit elements. First one is current. So what is current? We know in semiconductive and conductive materials there are free electrons. So if we are not applying any external pressure or voltages to that conductive material or semiconductive materials, then the free electrons move at random in all directions within the structure. And if a certain amount of voltage is applied across the material, all the free electrons move in one direction depending on the polarity of the applied voltage. So we can say the net flow of the electrons in the conducting material causes the electric current, and the direction of the conventional current is opposite to that of the net flow of electrons, as the electrons carry negative charges. And the unit of current is ampere, and we denote capital A. And we have the current capital letter I is equal to, and we can express the current as I is equal to Q by T, where Q is the charge in coulombs and T is time in seconds. And from this equation we can write Q is equal to I into T. Next one is potential. Potential at any point P is the amount of work done in bringing a unit positive charge from infinity to that point P. And the unit of potential is volt. We denote with the capital letter V, and we have mathematical expression V is equal to W by Q, where W is the work done and Q is the charge. Next is potential difference. It is the difference in electrical potentials at any two given points. Also, the unit of potential difference is volt. Electromotive force or EMF. It is the pressure or voltage which causes an electric current to flow in a circuit. Its unit is volt. Resistance. It is the property of a substance which opposes the flow of an electric current through it, and its unit is ohm, denoted by this one. Next is Ohm's law. What is Ohm's law? At constant temperature, the ratio of potential difference applied across the ends of a conductor and the current flowing through it remains constant. That is, we can write V by I is equal to a constant, and we denote that constant with the letter capital letter R, where V is the voltage, I is the current, and R is the resistance of the conductor. And from this we can write V is equal to I into R. Also another equation, I is equal to V by R. Next is electrical power. The rate at which work is done in an electric circuit is called electric power. And hence we can say P is equal to work by time. And we know work is W is equal to V into Q, and we know Q I into T. So we can write W is equal to, that is work is equal to V into I into T, and substitute this in this power equation, that is P is equal to VIT by T. So we get electrical power as V into I, that is voltage into current, and its unit is joule per second or watts. So we get P is equal to V into I, and from this we can write the other two equations, that is by substituting V is equal to I into R and also I is equal to V by R, we get I square R, and also power is equal to V square by R. And the practical unit of power is in kilowatt or in megawatt, and 1 kilowatt is equal to 10 raised to 3 watts, and 1 megawatt is equal to 10 raised to 6 watts or 10 raised to 3 kilowatt. Next is electrical energy. The total work done in an electrical circuit is called electrical energy, and we can write electrical energy is equal to power into time, where power is V into I into time T. The unit is joules. That is, we can write Vi into T or I square RT or V square by RT. And 1 joule is 1 watt second. Practical unit is kilowatt hour. That is, 1 unit, in practical cases 1 unit is 1 kilowatt hour. So let us do one simple problem. If 70 joule of energy is available for every 30 coulomb of charge, what is the voltage? So here we have 70 joule of energy, that is nothing but the work done, that is energy is total work done, and 30 coulomb, that is charge. So the equation relating voltage, work done and charge is V is equal to W by Q, and we have W as 70 and Q, that is charge, as 30. So we get 70 by or 70 divided by 30 equal to 2.33 volt. Next one is 5 coulombs of charge flow past a given point in a wire in 2 seconds. How many amperes of current is flowing? So here we have 5 coulombs of charge, that is the charge is given 5 coulomb and time is 2 seconds, and we have to find the current. So the relationship between current, charge and time is I is equal to Q by T. So we get 5 divided by 2 as 2.5 ampere.